Hi everyone, my name is Sophie. Welcome for today's advanced webinar. Please join me and write me in the chat where are you from and if you know BIGVU. Meanwhile, I want to tell you that today's webinar will be recorded and available for watching after the live event. So please don't you worry about that. You're also welcome to write questions in the chat, and we will have a Q&A session in the end, so all of your questions will be answered. And now, please join me and let's start today's webinar. And please let me know if you can hear me and if you can see my screen. Okay, so let's start. Welcome to BIGVU webinar. Today, we will go over all the advanced features of BIGVU that will help you take your videos to the next level and look like a pro. In general, BIGVU is like a studio production in your pocket. With BIGVU, you can get the full package. You can record your video using a teleprompter with a script or without a script. You can style and edit your videos with automatic captions, with green screen, background music, business cards, intros, outros, and so much more. And finally, you can download your video, you can share it on social media, and you can even create your own video landing page. So today we're going to talk about the desk teleprompter, about the advanced editing, our composer, our editing tool, creating your video landing page, branding, workgroups and themes, and like I've said, there will be a Q&A session in the end. So the first thing I want to talk about is our main desktop. Our main desktop screen. Desks are the workspaces that a BIGVU users use for their project. Here you can upload your video, you can write your script, you can edit, and so on. And here, of course, you can see all of your previous projects, and here you can create a new one. So before we will go over on how to create a video, I want to quickly explain to you about the few options we have on our left side over here, and we will go deeper into each one of them later on this webinar. So, except of the project button, this is our home screen button, we have the pages button. In BIGVU, you can create your own landing page. So again, we will discuss about it later on this webinar. Next option is the branding, where you can style your captions and add a logo, and the media library, where you can upload your own photos, videos, music, and then combine them into your video. The last, a new one, is the collection, where you can combine different videos together into one longer video. So this is about our left side menu. So as I said, now I want to explain to you how do we do all the process from the beginning with BIGVU, how we write our script and how we record whatever we wrote using our computer. So we click on this Create Blue button and we have three options: the script, the sequence, and the import. So with the script, you write your own script, and most of our users like to write their own script and then record it. But it's important for you to know that there is the option to import and the option of the sequence. So again, as I said, we click on this create blue button and we select script. Now we need to write our script and of course give it a headline. For example, this is a demo. So this is our script and we click on Save Script. And now we click on Open Teleprompter. So after we saved our project, we need to click on this desktop teleprompter. This desktop teleprompter is a feature that available only on the Plus plan, and this is very recommended if you want to record from your computer as well. So just keep in mind that if you want to use this option, you need to subscribe in order to use this teleprompter. So we click on this. Okay, so this is our desktop teleprompter. So before we start the recording, we have on the bottom over here a few important things we need to pay attention to. So the first option from the left is our scroll position. With the scroll position, you can start reading your text from the middle. If, for example, you want to start reading from here and not from the beginning. So you don't need to go out and then remove whatever you wrote in the beginning. You just move it to the sentence you wanted to start with. Our next option is the font size. This is one of the most important things, and this is super important to adjust because this is what will give you the perfect eye contact with the camera. You don't want it to be too big or too small. You want it to fit your eyes, to have the perfect eye contact. So nobody can know that you're reading from the screen. Our last option is the option to adjust the speed. And this is, I think, the most important thing about our desk teleprompter and about teleprompter in general. So you need to adjust the speed of the text so you can read your text fluently. You don't want it to be too fast or too slow. So it is important to adjust it, and when you adjust it, you will have a little preview so you can know if it's right for you or if it's not. For example, this, as you can see. Also, while you record, you will have the option to press on the spacebar to pause the script, but not the recording itself. So it's good if you want to improvise in the middle, for example. Also, it's important to set your camera or microphone if you're using some external device. So just remember that you need to do that before you start the recording. Okay, so now let me show you how I record using the desk teleprompter, and let me set the speed and the text so it will fit me. Okay, so let's start. This is a demo. Today I'm going to show how to do advanced editing and how to use BIGVU Plus. With BIGVU Plus, you can create beautiful videos using BIGVU Desk Teleprompter. You'll be able to create videos up to 59 minutes long and even customize your brand, color, and fonts. Stay tuned for more. And we stop our recording. So as you could see, the speed was perfect, the font size was perfect, and my eyes were always on the first line, always with a contact with my camera. So after I finished my recording, I have a few options, whether to record again if I didn't like what I recorded, or save it, or upload and close. So I choose upload and close. I go out and I just wait until it will be uploaded. So we've recorded our video, and now I want to edit my video, to add captions to my video, and I want to do that with some video that I prepared in advance. So it's basically all the same. I want to add captions, to add subtitles to my video. I click over here and I open my video, and now I click on these three dots and I select add captions. So I need to choose the captions with the language I'm talking in on the video, or this lady. So this lady is talking English, so of course I click on English. And it is it will transcode, so the voice will fit the text. So we need to wait a few seconds and it will be done. So now we've added captions and we want to edit our video, to make some changes. So I click again, three dots, edit, three dots, edit, and it will open the Composer, our editing tool. So the first thing we notice about the Composer is that our video is divided into segments. So with the segmentation we've done before with the captions, we have automatic segmentation. So our subtitles would fit the voice on the video. So over here, you can change the text if you want. For example, you want to remove this word or to highlight, to extra highlight. You have different options to change the text. You can also play every part separately, every segment, or play it all together. You also have the option to add logo to your video, for example, our logo, and choose the size of the logo and choose the effect of the video. Now let's talk about our left side bar, and let's start from styling. The first thing we have in styling is the option to resize your video. You can resize it to vertical, horizontal, square, or even to crop. By default, it will always be horizontal. But if, for example, you want to upload something to Instagram, it is better to do that with the square. Our next option is the option to add intro or outro, some video or business card that will appear on the beginning or in the end of your video. For example, let's click on intro. And over here, you can add a business card with your information, your personal information, your business information, and you can upload your own video from the computer, something that you've recorded before, and use it also as an intro or as an outro. You can also use a video theme. With a video theme, you can give your subtitles a nice color and a nice font, and you can even customize your own brands and fonts and colors if you have the Plus plan. So, for example, let's choose this pink one. And in a second, you will see that everything in my subtitles is changing. So you can see it is pink and it's blue and it's white. So in this way, I think this is more attracting to your viewers. Also, you can add a music, a background music to your video. This is a copyright free, so feel free to use it and make your video the best. After styling, we have the library, the BIGVU library. So on the BIGVU library, you can use our photos and our videos and just combine them into your video. Our next option is the option to upload your own photos and videos, and again, combine them into your video. So how do we do that? For example, my video over here is talking about a little cupcake shop. And I have a photo of cupcake that I want to use. I want to add some overlying visuals to my video. So I just take this photo, I click on it, and just drag, for example, over here. And as you can see, this part of my video will have a sound, of course, and a photo of some nice cupcakes. Also, we have the option to add tweets on the same way to our video and use Pixabay. Pixabay is a copyright-free shared library that also includes photos and videos. So just feel free to use it. Also, we have some nice options to mark some specific word. So, for example, over here, as you can see, I put slashes on the sides of the word and stars on the sides of the little word. And as you can see, it marked them and it became with some nice background, some blue and white background. So in this way, you can mark some words and then it will be more noticeable to your viewers. So after we finish editing, we've done everything that we want, we click on this Create button and wait until it will upload. So now that we've edited, I want to show you an example of how edited video can look like with something that I prepared in advance.
Level up your videos with BIGVU Plus.
The BIGVU teleprompter is now available for your webcam. Make videos as easy as 1, 2, 3 on your mobile and your desktop. Record right from your desktop with the BIGVU online teleprompter. Add automatic captions that broadcast your brand and style. Share your video in a branded landing page with your logo and custom call to action buttons.
Make videos you're proud of with BIGVU Plus.
Okay, so as you could see, it was a video that I made using only BIGVU Webdesk, using our Composer, our editing tool. And you can do that as well. And now, that I uploaded my video, I want to show you what different distribution we have of the video. So, okay, we click on these three dots and you can see that you have the option to download your video to the computer. You can export it to a different social media platforms, and one of my favorite is video pages. With the BIGVU video page, you can have like a little website without any disruptions. This is a landing page or a video page. And this is available only on the starter and the plus plan. So we click on this. And on this video page, on this create page, you can create your own branded video page and share it using mail, messenger, or any social media. So as you can see, over here we have our video, and we can add a headline and a text and even a background strip. For example, this one. Also, on these three dots over here, you can open the page settings. On the page settings, you can add your own logo. You can give your text and the headline some nice color. You can add your business information, your social media links. You can change your URL or username. And you can choose what call to action button you want to use on your page. So we have call now, learn more, sign up, email me, messenger, and WhatsApp. So whatever you want to appear on your page. So after we've done all that, we can save it. And it will take me to my Pages tab. If you remember, I said that I'm going to talk about this left side tabs. And after I saved my page settings, it took me already to my pages. So on this Pages tab, you can see all of your pages that you've made, and you can even see your pages stats. You can see the number of visits. You can see how many times people pressed to watch your video, and also how many clicked on the call to action button that you've chosen. And another nice thing about the pages is that you can share your page on social media, but also share it on mail or personal messages, and it will look like a video, even though it will be just a link. So let me show you what I mean. So I want to copy the link, and I want to send it to a friend using the messenger. Okay. So I copy, and now I paste the link, and I'm sending it to her. And in a second, you will see that my link will be a little preview of what I've sent to her. So as you can see, this is my video, and now she can know what I've sent to her without even open the video. So in this way, this is really, really nice, and size-wise, it is just a link. So it's also very convenient on emails, because you know that sometimes a video can be too big to send. So with this option, it will still look like a video, but size-wise, it will be just a link. And I think that in this way, it is more appealing to your customers or your friends or whoever sees your video. So this is a video page. And now I want to show you how edited video page can look like with something that I prepared. So as you can see, this is a video page that I prepared. This is my video that I've made using only BIGVU, and this is my text and my headline. On the bottom, I have my business information and my social links icons. On the top, you can see the logo that I've added and the call to action button that I chose. So this is a video page. Now let's go back to our main desktop screen. And let's talk about the tabs that was left. So we talked about the projects and we talked about the pages. Now let's talk about the branding. On this branding button, you can add your own logo, but this is not for the free plan. On the starter and the plus plan, you can add your own logo, and you can have videos without any watermark. You can also create your own templates, as you see. You can choose the caption style by changing the font and the text color, and just make it your own, so it will fit your brand or your style. And of course, we have our media library, where you can upload your own photos and videos and then combine them into your video using the composer. Okay, so now let's talk about our different plans. So in BIGVU, we have first the starter plan and the plus plan, which have all the features of the starter, and also you can have videos up to 59 minutes long. You can customize your brands, colors, and fonts, as I've shown you. You can use the desktop teleprompter, and you can have your video analytics. Also, in BIGVU, we have the workgroups and themes plan. Workgroups and themes are collaborative platforms, and you can use it for any subject that you want. You can use it rather for internal communication and the onboarding process, news report, or sell pitch within your team. And if you want to be updated in real time with what your colleagues, freelancers, or customers are doing, you should use this plan of workgroups and themes. And the difference between them is that in workgroups, it's up to 5 people and have only one desk. And in themes, you can have more than 10 people and have multiple desks. And this can be very useful if you have different work themes or different clients that you want them to have a shared workspace, but you don't want them to see your other desks. And if you want to do that, let's go back to our main desk screen. You can have you can give permission to your team. So as you can see, this green button, add team members. Here you have all the information of your theme. And also on these 3 dots, you can manage the permission of your theme. So we have 3 different options. We have the organization admin, who is responsible for all the desks. We have the desk admin, who is responsible only on one desk. And we have a member, which is the lowest permission that we have. And in this way, you can just manage the permission of your coworkers, friends, team, whoever you want to see your desk. Okay, and I think that this is it for today. I think that I've talked about all the important things you need to know about the teleprompter and about the web desk. So if you have any questions, you can write to me in the chat. And meanwhile, I want to send you some important links if you want to contact our support team or our tech team, if you want to visit our website. And I'm here if you have any questions. Okay, so if there is no questions, I want to thank you so much for watching me today. And if you like us, please review us on App Store and on Google Play. And we will be so much happy if you will join our BIGVU family. So thank you so much.